Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng The Lakeshore Philippines at ng The Orange Bucket, Infinity Food Corporation, Grumpy Joe, Pampanga, Wedas Hotel Clark.
Sumasabay sa hamon ng buhay, kahit minsa'y sumasablay. Di kailangang maglakbay mag-isa, hawakan mo aking kamay, hahanapin kita. Kabiyak ng puso ko at sinta, hinahanap kita. Sana makasama na siya. Hinahanap-hanap sa panahon, sana'y panain na ng Cupido ang ikaw at ako.
Magandang gabi, Pampanga. Magandang gabi, Lakeshore. Ngayong araw, wala pong hindi uuwi na hindi kinikilig. Dahil itong araw na ito ay para sa mga single. Pwede ko bang marinig ang palakpakan lahat ng mga single ngayong gabi? Gusto ko rin marinig lahat po ng mga nagmahal pero hindi minahal pabalik. Lahat po ng minahal, 24 hours lang, ginost na agad. Yung nagpunta po dito sa Lakeshore dahil gustong mag-anuwain kasi nag-away sila ng asawa niya. Andun po siya. Yun ang sabi sa akin kanina. Nakimarites po ako. Alright, so welcome dito po sa panahon na kung saan tutulungan natin ang dalawang puso na kung saan maaaring ito na ang pagkakataon nila magmahal at buksan ang kanilang puso na kung saan this gonna be a matchmaking show dito po sa Lakeshore. I am Kian Laksaman, ang inyong Mr. Cupido ng RW 95.1 FM. And syempre, yung moments pa lang, ay makikilala natin ang ating Sergi. So, I'm gonna share with you guys kung ano nga ba ang magiging mechanics. So, here we go. Para sa ating first batch, meron tayong isang heart seeker. At mula sa ilang tangan po na nag-sign up sa ating application form, meron po tayong napili na 5 Sergis. Sila po yung susubok mapasagot yung tanong na, pwede ba ako sa'yo? And syempre, ang ating Sergi naman, may hawak po siya na paper heart. At ang ating mga heart seeker, may hawak po na Cupid's arrow. Sa round 1 and 2, our heart seeker will ask questions sa ating mga searchers. At kung saan po, lahat po sila ay sasagot para magkaroon na ng konting idea ang ating heart seeker about them. Then, from round 3 ay magkakaroon po tayo ng elimination. Kapag hindi ka napili, your heart will be ripped. Yun nga lang yung masakit doon. Yung biglang akala mo, yun na. Tapos biglang i-rip nung heart seeker ang iyong puso. Yun lang. At syempre, pwede rin naman po na mag-self-eliminate ang ating Sergi anytime by ripping their own heart kung feel nila na hindi magmamatch sa searcher. Pagdating naman sa final 3, magkakaroon tayo ng konting talent portion na dapat din ma-impress ang ating heart seeker. Magkakaroon tayo ng top 2 and at the end, malalaman na natin kung sino ang pipiliin ng ating heart seeker. So, napaka-exciting na ng pagkakataong ito. Malay natin magsimula po ngayong gabi dito sa Lakeshore ang bagong love story na ating aabangan. Kaya naman, ready na po ang ating batch 1. Hindi ko na po patatagalin pa. Right now, our first heart seeker is a beautiful and confident queen. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch. right now, hindi na po natin patatagalin pa. Please welcome Cyril Rain. There you go. How about a big round of applause, folks? Palakpakan naman po natin. Indeed, a queen. How are you? Could you please introduce yourself? Brief lamang.
Good evening, Cyril Rain Malonzo Nolo, 25, your Miss of Friendship.
Okay. So, right now, this gonna be a quick question. Are you ready now to open your heart, just in case?
Always have been ready for 2 years now.
Oh, so I think, kumbaga sa almost moved on, totally get over ka na. Totally, okay. So, that's good. And right now, hindi pa kasi yung mga searches natin ay nakatago pa. So, nasa isolated area pa sila. Ngayon, ano nga bang tipo mo sa isang lalaki?
I would say, personality-wise, I would want someone who is protective and kind, and also a gentleman, not just in me, but with everybody else.
Sumasabay.
Wala ka na nakikita? Okay, so, I wish you good luck. And syempre, we would like to say thank you sa ating mga sponsors, the Lakeshore Philippines, Love Takes on a Warmer Glow by the Water, share an intimate evening of good food, live music, and quiet moments at the Lakeshore this Valentine's Day, 6 o'clock in the evening, 750 pesos per head. Call 0905-458-0311. Reserve your table now and let the night unfold. At syempre maraming salamat sa The Orange Bucket. Indulge in a bold and a flavorful Cajun seafood experience at The Orange Bucket, featuring fresh seafood, rich flavors, and signature dishes crafted to perfection, ideal for intimate celebrations, family gatherings, or simply treating yourself to something extraordinary. Visit The Orange Bucket along MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and Mega 3 Suites, 3G1 Teodoro Street, Balibago, Angeles City, Pampanga. Follow The Orange Bucket on Facebook for exclusive promos and mouth-watering page. So, alright. So, Rain, please step forward. At narito na sa likuran mo ang mga searches. Good evening, gentlemen! Are you now ready? So, eto na po. Welcome to round 1. This is called First Heartbeat. Dito, first impression muna tayo. Participants one by one will introduce themselves. It's gonna be your name, age, residence, hobbies of interest, and of course, ready nyo ang inyong pangmalakas ng pick-up line. Alright. So, we're gonna start. We're gonna have now our searching number 1.
So, I am Jaren, 22, from Arayat, Pampanga, and my hobbies are technology and cars, motorcycles, and Miss Rain, error 404 ka ba?
Why?
Because when I saw you, hindi ko na mahanap yung dahilan kung bakit kailangan pang maghanap ng iba.
Kinilig ba kayo doon? Kinilig ka naman ba? Baka naman ikaw di ka kinilig. Okay. Rain, we're gonna move on to the searching number 2.
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening, Rain. I am Eric Hernandez, 31 years old, from Candaba. You can call me Mr. Tourism because I work at tourism office. So, Rain, pag bibili ka ng damit, sana yung kagaya ko.
Why?
Simple lang, pero bagay sa'yo.
alisin mo. Kilig Rain, ha? May 3 pa tayo. Okay, Searchy, number 3.
Hi guys, good evening everyone. My name is Christian Lacson, but you can call me Ken. I'm 23 years old and I'm from city of San Fernando, Pampanga. And my hobbies, I do play basketball. Rain, mapa ka ba?
Why?
Kasi mapapangiti at mapapatalon ako sa kilig pag ako napili mo ngayon.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay ka lang, Rain?
I'm good.
Baka himatayin ka sa kilig, Rain, ha? This time, Searchy number 4, it's your turn.
Good evening to each and everyone. Good evening, Miss Rain. My name is James, 24 years old, from Macabebe, Pampanga. Currently working at Max's Restaurant. Former 2024 Employee of the Year. Ray, si Cupido ka ba?
Why?
Kasi kahit wala sa direksyon ng pagpana mo, tatamaan at tatamaan pa rin tong puso ko. Kasi patay na patay sa'yo.
Na-rhyming, pinaghandaan ng isang taon. Okay, Rain, we're gonna move on to our last Searchy.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rain. And my name is Mark, 21 years old, and I'm from the city of Angeles City, Pampanga. And my achievements are Mr. RCC and 2024 at Republic Center Colleges. And yung ko naman is apply ko is are you a time traveler?
Why?
Kasi nakita kita. Nahulog ako sa'yo.
Nakalimutan niya yata kung saan siya magta-travel sa oras. Okay, Rain, I'm gonna ask you right now. Kanino kaya, kumbaga sa siyempre narinig natin yung ilang details sa buhay nila. Kanino ka medyo, sabihin natin na na-impress?
Can I say 2 people? Can I say 2 people?
Yes?
I'm actually kind of interested in searching number 2 and searching number 4.
Searching number 2 and searching number 4. You may now go home. Hindi, biro lang. Hindi, mali pala yun. Okay, akala ko. Hindi. So, kumbaga sa inyo siya na-impress. But, round 1 pa lamang yan. Kumbaga, na-impress tayo doon sa salita nila, sa pick-up line. But this time, we're gonna make it a bit challenging. Round 2, it's a sense of touch. Rain, ikaw ang pipili kung saan mo sila hahawakan. Just to remind you, Rain, mahal ko ang trabaho ko. Ayoko mawala ng trabaho ng dahil lang dito. Okay? Bawal ang SPG. It's up to you. Bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon, pero wag kang lalagpas sa Planet Nemic. Rain, Searchy number 1 is beside you. Saan mo siya gustong hawakan?
I'll say hands.
Okay. Pakiabot ang kamay mo. There you go. Oh, huwag mo siyang titignan. Nakita mo?
Nico.
Ayan. Okay.
Okay.
Rain, huwag mong paulit-ulit ginagawa yan.
Sorry.
Mali yan.
Mali.
Just touch. Okay.
Okay.
Another one more time.
Okay.
There you go.
There. Thank you so much.
In fairness, eye contact ka sa kanya no? Kahit hindi mo nakikita yung mata niya, nakatitig siya. Okay. Searching number 2, your turn now.
Oh my.
Rain, saan mo naman gustong i-touch si Searching number 2?
I would say shoulder.
Shoulder. Okay, Rain.
Ay.
Ayan.
Okay.
You may take your time. We're gonna give you 1 hour.
Wow. Thank
Ay,
you.
okay.
I'm Mali.
Okay, next. Your turn, Searching number 3. What part, Rain?
Nauubusan na ako. Braso?
Braso. Okay.
Oh my God.
Pwede kang magsambarak.
Pwede? Where? Oh, okay. Here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, searchy number 3. Searchy number 4. May pangiti-ngiti na kasi kanina pinuna, magaling daw. Okay, searching number 4 is beside you, Rain. Ano naman part kaya?
Like, shoulder, but at the back.
Okay, shoulder but at the back. So, sorry ha, galing ng Amerika itong ano namin. Ayan.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Alright. Tinitignan lang niya kung gaano kakatangkad. May pagganyan-ganyan pa siya eh. Okay.
Ganun.
Searchy number 5, your turn. But, Rain, I'm gonna ask you, what part do you want to touch?
I would say braso. I wanna see. Pwede. Hindi, mali.
Okay na?
Thank you.
Okay. Kapag nasusobrahan siya doon sa ginagawa niya, ay mali, sabi niya. At least na-realize niya na mali siya. Alright, thank you so much, Rain. So based sa mga nahawakan mo, kanino mo naramdaman yung warm energy, yung gentleness?
Oh, I would say kay number 3 actually. It feels like I'm comforted, like I'm protected.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bigla kang sumimangot, searching number 4. Okay. Searching number 3. Okay. Good luck, hindi pa dun. Dahil round 3 na tayo. This is what we call heart check. At dito na po magsisimula ang isa sa mga pinaka-exciting part. Because for the first time tonight, tatanggalin na po ni Rain ang kanyang sandals. Ay, biro lang. Dahil for the first time, tatanggalin na po ni Rain ang kanyang blindfold. It means magmi-meet na silang lahat. At kayo naman, Sergis, ang iba-blindfold namin hanggang 2 a.m. Biro lang. Rain, are you ready now to take your blindfold off?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, could you please do the honors? There you go. She's very pretty indeed. Palakpakan niyo naman si Rain. Huwag ka muna tatalikod. Are you ready now to meet and greet na with your Sergis?
Sure, I'm good.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1, meet your Sergis.
Hello, good evening.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Bago mo tinanggal ang blindfold, lahat yan minove namin sa iba't ibang lugar. Okay. Ngayon, what's gonna be your first impression meeting them for the first time?
Well, they all look nice, cute, whatever.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, they look cute. Yep.
Okay, so could you please move to Sergi? Guy number? Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung anong number. Okay.
Okay.
So, could you please ask a question? Just a bit.
Just a tiny bit. Well, I'm a foodie, so I want to ask you, what type of food do you like?
I like eating adobo. Adobo, chicken.
Chicken adobo. Yung masabaw o yung malagkit?
I think yung masabaw.
Okay. Okay, so I like to travel a lot. Do you travel like nature or city?
Oh, honestly, I love nature since mahilig ako magmotor. Siguro kung ako yung papalar na maging fair mo, unang-una kitang dadaling sa date na nature trip. Kung saan, syempre, marirelax tayo, diba? While seeing that beautiful view with you.
Nawalaan ko na siya sa search number 1. Search number whatever. I wanted to ask, if ever we'll go on a date, anong plano mo? If ever.
Based sa sinabi mo, pupunta tayo sa ibang bansa. And para may fancy date tayo. Yeah.
Good. Searchy number whatever. I wanted to ask, would you or would you not like learn or teach me how to dress up?
I guess you can dress whatever you want. You can express yourself whatever you want. As long as you feel comfortable and beautiful, I will be glad to date or go with you wherever you want.
Thank you. And lastly, my question is, if ever we'll go on a date here in Lakeshore, what will be our activity?
Syempre, mostly mag-walking. And we can try the rides over there. Yeah. Then, syempre, food trip.
Food trip. Thank you.
You've heard them.
Yes.
It is about time for you to say goodbye to one of them.
Oh my.
But of course, doon sa intro natin, you have the choice to read off your heart as a Sergi. Is it okay, Rain, if somebody rips the heart?
Yes, of course. It's their choice.
Okay, so right now, Sergis, anybody? There you go. You don't have to choose right now. Kasi nag-goodbye na yung isa sa kanila. Right now, andyan po yung barangay patrol. Ihatid na po siya. Okay, so, syempre, sir, dito muna po tayo, sir. Gusto ko pong malaman, what is the reason bakit po ay narate niyo po ang heart?
Siguro hindi pa po kasi ako ready and it's not my type po.
Hindi ka pa ready pero nandito ka. Sinayang mo lang yung oras mo. Hindi, just kidding. So, maybe at the right time, sa tamang panahon, ika nga dito po sa panahon, hindi pa siguro ito yung magiging bagong kwento ng love story niya. Pero, sir, gusto kitang pasalamatan for joining this panahon. Palakpakan niyo naman po si Sergi number 5. Thank you so much. Shake hands po tayo. Hindi naman forever ang goodbye. Sometimes, kailangan mag-goodbye na, pero mag-welcome ulit. Malay mo, mag-meet ulit ang inyong landas. Di ba?
Yes.
So, magpapatuloy tayo. So, paano yun? Sergi number 4. Okay, this time. We're gonna move on now dito sa tinatawag natin na real talk. Na kung saan, syempre dapat may sense din yung mga gagawin natin. Dito na natin malalaman kung sino sa inyo ang seryoso at hindi kagagawing option lamang, Rain. Okay? So this is your chance to ask a question na talagang importante sa'yo. Kumbaga, ito yung masasabi natin na tinatanong mo or sinasabi mo sa isang minamahal mo. Rain, do the honors.
Well, because it's our first time meeting one another, I want to ask, what are your red flags and what are your green flags?
Masyadong restrictive ka lang. And siyempre, green flags. Kung mahal mo, mahal mo.
Okay ka lang. Sabi niya sa akin kanina, ano yung mga red flags, sabi niya, yung pong naka-red, sabi niya. Just kidding. Okay. Sergi, okay. It's up to you if you want to ask same question or not.
Yeah, I would say same question. What do you consider red flag and what do you consider green flag?
I guess based on experience, my green flag are also becoming my red flag. Because as they say, I love very much. Sometimes I love bomb, the person I love. So sometimes parang pumupunta na siya dun sa parang red flag. Pero other than that is, ano pa ba? green flag is parang since I really respect girls, talagang gentle talaga yung pag-care ko sa taong mahal ko.
Thank you. Good question, yes.
For me, red flag ko is yung babaeng di kaya magbigay ng assurance para sa partner niya. Then, green flag ko naman is nakapagbigay pa rin siya ng quality time kahit gano'n siya kabis sa buhay niya. Ganun.
Siguro ako, red flag. Ako kasi nung past relationship ko, parang naging overprotective ako. Since parang tinignan yun as parang hindi siya nakakagalaw, parang ganun. So siguro yun yung masasabi kong red flag ko. Then yung green flag naman is, ito talaga yung pag naging karelasyon mo is, mabibigay ko sa'yo yung peace of mind. Wala kang dapat ipag-alala. Babae, bisyo. Kasi, gawain ko lang naman, trabaho, bahay, pahinga, gym. Ayun lang. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rain. Please move right here to the center. It is about time for you to choose yung isang mag-goodbye ulit. Kailangan mo ng lapitan and i-read ang kanyang heart.
Can I say the reason first?
Okay, it's okay. Do the honors.
The reason is I feel like I am not someone to be restricted. I am a person that does a lot of things and wants to do a lot of things. So I'm sorry.
And you're saying sorry too? There you go. There you go. Thank you so much, sir, for being so brave. And wala po ba kayong mensahe?
Wala naman.
Ay dahil po dyan, maaari na po kayo lumabas ng bahay ni Kuya. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. And sabi nga nila, hindi man ito yung tamang panahon, darating din para sa kanya yung tamang tao na ibibigay ni Lord. May mga dadaan sa buhay natin na magmamarka lang, pero hindi sila magsistay. Okay? So, eto na. It's gonna be the top 3 na kung saan, nakita na natin kung paano sila mag-respond doon sa mga questions ni Rain. But this time, it's gonna be a talent portion. They need to show their talent in 4 hours. Ay, Rain, masyado na yun. Just 30 seconds to a minute. It's up to you. You ready? Rain, this gonna be the talent portion of your searches. We're gonna start with you.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan, di ka niya mahal talaga. Sayang lang ang buhay mo kung mapupunta ka lang sa kanya. Iiwanan ka lang yan, mag-ingat ka. Dagdag ka lamang sa milyong-milyong babae niya. Huwag naman sana, akin ka na lang. Ingatan ko ang puso mo, akin ka na lang. Wala nang hihigit pa sa'yo.
There you go, Rain. Next, gentleman, your turn. There you go. Yung galaw lang na nakasukat
Pakul lang,
no?
pakul lang.
Oo, yung nakasukat lang.
Yes. Pakul.
Yung mga nakakanis panoorin.
Sumulat ako ng isang tula para sa ating napakagandang dalaga. Magandang gabi po. Ako nga po pala si James at magluluto ako ng pinakbet. Una, kuha tayo ng palanggana. Sana huwag kang mawalan ng gana. Lagyan natin ng tubig sana'y ika'y aking mapaibig. Hugasan natin ng mga gulay, bigyan mo ng kulay ang aking buhay. Kumuha ng kawali, nagbabaka sakaling maging dahilan ng iyong mga ngiti. Pagkalagay ng mantika, sibuyas, bawang ay igisa. Andito lamang ako kapag ikay nag-iisa. Kung gusto mo, lagyan pa natin ng bagoong. Dito sa aking puso, siya lang ang binubulong. Ilagay na ang mga gulay. Huwag kakalimutan lagyan ng kalabasa para makita mo naman ang aking halaga. Oh, luto na nga ang ating pinakbet. Sana huwag kang umanap ng kabet para hindi masakit.
Sumakit yung pusyon ko sa'yo. Okay na sana eh. Tatama ka na sana sa pusyo eh. Halika, dito ka na, Rain. Okay. Ay, dito tayo. Shaharap. Okay. So right now, Rain, they are three. Kailangan may magpaalam na isa. So Rain,
Okay. Wait, di ba ako makakatawa sa push-up? Okay. Hindi ako makahinga. Oh no, I don't know. Hold on. Reason muna.
okay.
Okay, well, I would say, I feel like I don't want someone who acts cool. I want someone who can still act cringy, because love is cringy. It needs to be cringy for it to be genuine. So I don't want someone who acts cool, who can't dance fully into it. So
You're gonna choose guy number 3. Ay, hindi pala. Ah, okay. Pwedeng umiyak habang ginana yung puso. There you go. Thank you so much, sir. What's gonna be your message?
Good luck na lang. Sana man may true love mo to.
O diba, sama na loob niya.
bakit parang pinagbantaan ako?
Oo, sama na loob niya. And then, sir, thank you so much for joining. Hindi pa to ang, hindi pa ikaw ang para sa kanya. Pero maling natin, mapaglaro ang tadhana, maling nyo mag-cruise ang inyong landas muli. Sa pagkakataong yun, handa na kayo para sa isa't isa.
True.
Okay. Ngayon, it's gonna be the final round. Ang round na ito magde-decide kung sino ang pipili. This is called Napanana. Kasi hindi na ito basta laro. Dito may isang pusong tatamaan at may isang pusong sasagot. Cyril, you're gonna have one final question. Isang tanong na makakapag-decide ng Valentine's date mo. Choose wisely. So, meron kayong 1 minute na pwedeng mag-usap doon sa tubig. Biro lang, dito lang tayo. Here we go. So, this is your moment.
Hello again.
Hi, good evening. So,
Good evening.
my question is simple. It's about me. I do a lot of things. I love to do a lot of things. And I want to know if you're gonna be the person who will be there to support me and also encourage me to do all the things that I love.
You know, as someone who is, a lot of dreams and a lot of things that want to pursue, so I know how it feels. So, same thing to the one whom I will love, if that's you. So I'll support you in every way, in all ways, and always. So that's it. I'll just support you in everything that you do.
But before that, we would like to say thank you muna sa ating mga sponsors. Grumpy Joe Pampanga, visit Grumpy Joe Pampanga at MacArthur Highway Barangay, San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, in front of Walter Mart, Pampanga. For advance orders for takeout, call 0999-955-7192. Now available on Grab Food Delivery. Also, with us Hotel Clark, this Valentine's Day, join us for Harana, a Valentine's soiree at a Salt Restaurant, an evening filled with romance, culture, and exquisite dining. Adults, 2,499 bets, including a glass of sparkling wine. Kids 6 to 12 years old, 1,250 net. Children 0 to 5 years old, free when accompanied by a full-paying adult. Don't miss this special celebration of love and fine cuisine at Widas Hotel Clark. All right, Rain, it is time to choose kung sino ang iyong papanahin. All right, Rain, it is time to choose kung sino ang iyong papanahin.
I felt his sincerity, and I would say on his answer, he didn't censor himself, and he didn't censor me in his answer. And yeah, I felt like it was genuine. So, my answer is...
There you go. Napana na. Palakpakan naman. Alright, but this is the most important question. Pinana ni Rain. Ngayon, tatanggapin mo ba ang pana ni Rain?
Yes po. 200%.
200% palakpakan naman sa kanilang dalawa. Para naman sa hindi napili, maraming salamat. Isang go baby naman para sa kanya. Go baby! Go baby! Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. And sana mahana mo rin ang iyong tadhana balang araw in God's perfect time. Congratulations! You are officially tonight's match. Pwede po ba natin silang picturean?
Kabiyak ng puso ko at sinta. Sumasabay sa hamon ng buhay. Kahit minsa'y sumasablay. Di kailangang maglakbay mag-isa.